By the way, Luffy, I heard you met your old man a while back.
Huh? My dad? Oh, I don't think so. I didn't even think I had a dad.
That's a shame. I thought he'd introduce himself to you. From what I hear, he saw you off back at Logtown. The name of your father is Monkey D. Dragon, the revolutionary.
That dragon? The revolutionary has a son? Even though he's famous, Luffy didn't know. Wait, Dragon is Vice Admiral Garp's son? What kind of crazy messed up family have they got?
What's the deal, you guys? Why is everyone freaking out so much?
Are you kidding? You're trying to tell me you've never heard of Dragon before?
He's a dangerous man. Like, really dangerous.
I jump out of bed 'cause I want one. Tell that bitch about a bit of booty if you really want one. I don't got a perk, got me moody, bitch, I want one.